Hola amigos, welcome back to the Spanish Spot, where Spanish is fun and practical. Today I'll show you how to order food in a restaurant, all in Spanish. Imagine this. You walk into a cozy restaurant in Mexico or Spain, and instead of pointing or guessing, you actually order like a local. Sounds great? Let's go. You walk in, and the host might say, ¿Cuántas personas? How many people? You reply, Dos personas, por favor. Table for two, please. Tip, hold up fingers when you say the number. Once you're seated, here's a phrase you can use if you need help with the menu. ¿Qué me recomienda? What do you recommend? ¿Cuál es la especialidad? What's the specialty? Now it's time to order. In Spanish, two common phrases you'll hear are quiero, literally I want, para mí, for me. Even though quiero means I want, in this context, it's totally normal and polite in Spanish. It's like saying I'd like in English. Examples, quiero una enchilada por favor. Para mí, una limonada. Tip, always add por favor at the end. It's magic. If you have a question about the food, try these. ¿Esto tiene carne? Does this have meat? ¿Es picante? Is it spicy? ¿Viene con arroz? Does it come with rice? Before we move on, here's another super useful phrase. Let's say you need napkins or silverware. You can say, ¿Podrías traerme más servilletas, por favor? Could you bring me more napkins, please? Or if you need utensils, say, ¿Podrías traerme cubiertos? Could you bring me utensils? And if you want to be specific, here are the words for common utensils in Spanish. Tenedor, fork. Cuchara, spoon. Cuchillo, knife. So if you need another spoon, you could say, ¿Podrías traerme una cuchara, por favor? Time for dessert and the check. Ask, ¿Tiene postres? Do you have desserts? ¿Nos puede traer la cuenta, por favor? Can you bring us the check, please? Let's review the top phrases from today. ¿Cuántas personas? How many people? Quiero or para mí. I want for me. ¿Qué me recomienda? What do you recommend? ¿Nos puede traer la cuenta? Can we get the check? Now you're ready to order with confidence in any Spanish-speaking restaurant. Practice these phrases with a friend or family member and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite food in Spanish? If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Spanish Spot. Nos vemos.